Rainy day today. I say yay, because we always use the rain, and it's raining on my garden so I don't have to water it. It's kind of nice. We still have some flowers left from early spring. There's some pretty little daffodils. These tulips are almost finished blooming. These little purple grape hyacinths have been around for a couple of months. It's really very pleasant. This is a tree that I planted after it had been in my classroom when I taught English. And it's a pomegranate tree. It was not a Christmas tree. It was a poet tree. Haha, that's a joke. It's a pun. Pun on poems and tree. There's some more of our new daffodils. I just plunked the bulbs in there earlier in the school year. This is tea plant. You might be able to hear the rain thump on my jacket. This is called rabbit brush. The rabbits like this very much, and so do the bees. It will have very pretty golden little flowers. This is a little pot I put together. It has a nice daffodil, primroses, different color tulips, I think are very pretty, and some other little daffodils that are called jonquil because they have 3 little blossoms on one stem, and it's a different kind of daffodil. There's oleander over there. This is from the front. This is a sign that says, I have a certified wildlife habitat, that this property provides the 4 basic habitat elements needed for wildlife to thrive: food, water, cover, and places to raise young. Now, wildlife means it's not a pet. I didn't get the critters at a store, and I don't pet them, and they don't belong to me. They're wild. Okay, that means birds and bunnies, and sometimes we have other critters come through from Mojave Narrows, because we're not too far from there. Those tulips are almost finished. There's some little violas I planted. This area, I am hoping, will have sunflowers, because I have been planting seeds for sunflowers. So that'll be very, very nice. It's going to take a while. It'll be the summer. Now it's only April. And this is one way that I provide water for all the critters. It's a bird bath. Although I don't think the bunnies jump up here. Who knows, though? They jump everywhere. You can see the raindrops. Huh. It's just a little pitter-patter, not a big storm right now. It's kind of nice for a change, isn't it? It is. And that's one of our trees with new leaves. This is a Chinese elm. And those are some rain clouds, cumulus. Cumulus clouds mean it has water that's going to fall. So, the bees aren't out right now because it's raining. They're taking a break. I'm going to go in, do some work. But I think it's kind of nice when it's not too freezing cold, It's about 48 degrees to come out, see what's going on in nature. So bye for now.